Good morning. Okay, it is 11:30. I am actually starting a vlog, guys, so welcome. I'm meeting up with my friend Bree and we are gonna go to this like art place. Like it has like fun like structures and stuff. It's called Meow Wolf. I know they have a few different locations, but we're going there in like an hour and a half or so. I'm just finishing my makeup and then I'm gonna go to her house and get like dressed and everything. We're gonna get ready together, but I wanted to do my makeup first. But anyways, I just wanted to start this. I might do a different intro, but I'm not sure, so I just wanted to have something just in case. So hey guys, how you doing? This will probably be the video that goes up this week, so that's exciting. But anyways, we'll see where this goes. Hi. Welcome to the vlog. I am at Bree's house. Her room is super cool. Like, look at this. It's so cool. And we are getting ready right now. I'll show fits in a little bit. You don't get any sneak peeks. But anyways, there's Bree. Anyways, we will check back in when we're all ready. The cutest little puppy. And we're ready to go. We're here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we've never been here, guys. Wow. We're in a bus, guys. Look. Driver's seat, in case you've ever wondered what it's like. I am now driving a. Oh, sorry. Driving a bus? Dude, stop it. It's making music. Oh, it's so cute. Dude, there's a whole, like, drum set up there. Wow, this is insane. There's so many things. I can't go upstairs with these freaking skirts. Hold on. Oh my gosh, we can do it. Oh, they keep stepping on my skirt. Like, what is happening? What the? Is this like an intense? This is terrifying. There's like faces. Oh, sorry. No way. Dude, what? Are you? I'm in awe. Like, this is so pretty. in this. I forgot. I'm forgetting that I'm filming, but we're in this.
Because we're taking a minute.
Chat. We have so many. So many. This is.
We're not even halfway done.
Yeah, not even. Guys.
This is the one.
We're sitting. We're taking a minute. Like, what? We look so funny.
I've seen some videos like that.
What? This is so cool.
Okay. There's a lady.
Okay, we got a little bit lost towards the end, but now we're trying to make our way back to the lobby.
And maybe
Elevator?
see if there's more.
We don't
know
know.
if there is more.
It's like a ballroom. Okay, we're in the gift shop now. I think we made it through everything because we looked around and there wasn't really anything else. The bag.
Yeah.
She's cute.
That was
I just start recording. No warning, nothing. We're leaving.
We're leaving. After
it is
what, 5 hours?
almost 5 o'clock. We got here at our thing was at 2:40 in a fit check because I forgot to film a fit check. How bad of me. But we're gonna go get Cane's.
Food.
Boots are from like Shein or something.
Sheen.
Oh, sorry. And
No,
then
no, you're
this skirt I thrifted online. This
Very
corset is from Amazon. This I also thrifted from Goodwill. Thrifted from Arc. Glasses from Costco. Earrings, TJ Maxx. Necklace I kind of made, but it's from Michael's.
Cute.
Your turn. Oh God.
Okay. So, I don't know where half of this is from. I think this is from like Forever 21.
Okay.
And then fishnets are from Hot Topic. Jeans are from Forever 21. And then Docs. What else? Most of this is from like Tiffany's or Pandora. I think this is specifically from Pandora. And then rings, but I don't know where those are.
What about your purse?
Yes, and my purse, that's from Amazon.
Okay. Do you want to give a shout out to your channel?
Sure. If you want to go subscribe to Brianna Lee, go ahead. But
do it.
Do it.
It's okay. She's got an account. We're
Wow.
We're back in the car. There was some construction happening up there. I'm not even gonna ask. I changed out of my corset because I physically cannot be in it any longer. Anyways, I already said we're going to Cane's, but we're gonna go there, and I'm so excited because Cane's is so good.
So good. Get me back onto it.
Literally haven't had Cane's in a fat minute, so excited.
Sick from it, so
yeah.
I've been scared.
Anyways, I think that was a fun experience. What would you rate?
Well, considering I thought there was more, maybe like 7 out of 10.
Yeah, I was gonna say like an 8. We both thought that there were like more because we've seen like other people's posts. So I don't know if they changed their like structures and stuff.
Well, some of them were the same, so I'm a little confused.
Yeah, I don't know, or if it's like different locations, we're not sure. But anyways, I would give it like an 8, so like an average of 7.5 between the two of us, which is pretty good. It was fun, and it took us about 2.5 hours, but we were taking like 5,000 photos. And I'm sure, there's like a ton of hidden doors, so I'm sure we like missed a few, because there was like, I don't even know, like they blended in with the room, and so you might not even realize it's there. But anyways, that's it. We're gonna go get Cane's, so I'll update you when we're there. Here's my food. Yummy. Okay, I hope everyone enjoyed that. I know I didn't really talk very much, but it was super fun to go to Meow Wolf and get to see everything. I mean, everything was so pretty and just mesmerizing. It was really, really cool. And we took a ton of photos. Brie and I both had a great time. And after Cane's, we just went to Target and grabbed a few things, and then I went home. But that's all we did, and I hope you enjoyed. And I know that it was kind of just a montage of clips, but I do hope that it was fun to watch. And I will see you guys in the next video. Live, laugh, love. Bye. Love you.
Ha ha ha!